I just wanted to show you that you can see there's the blue. Okay, so there's the blue, although that blue looks a little bit darker. There's the green and the, let me see, there's the turquoise. Here, it looks like that's right there from the top row, and the bottom row is the same with those neutral colors right there. So these are basically, that looks like that brown right there. It looks like the same that were in the Walgreens exclusive, which I already swatched for you. So they're just going to be the same swatches. See if there's any, similarities of frosty colors and whatnot. So it looks like they just took these out. It looks like they just took these out right here and then just put them in the pan. And if you can see here, these like purpley colors right here are the same as these purpley colors right there. Okay, so you can see that these are the same. These purples are the same from here to here. Of course, the black. And you've got all of these like nude colors that are, I guess, there you go. They pretty much just took these out and just put them in here, really. And since I already swatched it earlier, I don't know if it was end of last year or January of this year, but I did swatch them, the new 10 pants from Wet n Wild. So these are just taken out and they put in there. And see all of these like purpley colors. See all the purpley colors right there. It just took them out from here and put them in there. So anyway, that's how I see this. So I just wanted to show you, this is the Fantasy palette. This is the exact dupe for James Charles, except that James Charles is going to be the same size as this. James Charles is 40 and that is 15. So you can see these are not the same. Look at this, look at this. It's just not the same. See, I actually like those bright colors in the Fantasy quote-unquote James Charles palette. Now let me get further away. There's the yellows. See right there, that blue is different, that purple is different, there we go, and the pink is different from that right there. So going up to the third rows, let me pull out. Yes, there's a black, but you start to see that there are some differences in this having one less, and there's no white there for the third rows. There we go. That's the third row. Now let's look at the next row. That one, not exactly the same, but similar. And then the very top row, you can see that there's a white on top and that has a beige there. See if I can get this. top came off. Okay. But you could see they are just not exactly the same. The colors in that top row and that bottom, that top row from both, that's what I meant to say. It's just not the same. So everybody on YouTube who has the James Charles palette has been swatching them side by side. I just wanted to get this small one for the price. It's worth it, and just to show you the comparison. And they've swatched them side by side, and you can see how they are definitely different. So I am going to swatch this now. I know everybody's done that already too, but I like to just do it myself. And so yeah, I'm going to do the swatches now.